What we're going to look at in this video is scheduling of match sessions within DQ for Dynamics. So this is actually a part of the master module that we provide, and really the master module is all about scheduling, automation, post-merge processes, auditing. So really it's about really automating processes and saving even more time rather than looking through and reviewing duplicate records every single day. So specifically what we're going to look at is scheduling of sessions, and what we'll do here is you can see that there's sessions that have been unscheduled. We'll take this session and we're going to schedule it. We click here, we then get our scheduler, where we can then define some criteria of what we want to do when we're running these sessions. So we are going to select independent. I'll speak about parent and child in a moment. We're going to say run this session independently, and what we're going to do is say how often do we want to run. So let's say every day we want to run this session. What time do you want to schedule this session? So let's go with 11 a.m. and what we're going to do is then define what action we're going to take. So do we want to merge records once we've run this session? Do we want to link records together, or do we want to do nothing at all and just return matches? So what we're going to do is say when do we want this session to start, when do we want this session to end, and also what action do we want to perform out of this. So we've selected that we want to potentially merge. So here's our list of actions that we can perform. Number one is, do we just want to return match results so that I can come in every single morning and review duplicates and not have to wait for the session to run? Maybe if it's running hundreds of thousands of records or millions of records. Do I just want to return those match results? Or, and we'll cover this in a later video, do I want to perform some auto processes like promoting the best record? Do I want to auto merge records, etc., etc.? And there's a whole set of criteria and actions that you can define on what you want to happen once this session has run. So if we want to just match, then we can set that up, and that will then run on a daily basis. But say we wanted to then actually perform a linking task. So actually what we're going to do here is now perform a linking task after, and yes, we can just return matches ready for us to manually link, or you can say, I want to match records, I want to find my best record, fill it with the best data, and then go and link those records together. So that's this subtle difference between whether we're linking or merging records. Finally, we'll go back to where I was talking about at the start, about this independent parent and child. What we're able to do is chain sessions together so that you can run one match session and say, this is a session that I'm running and I'm super confident that the results are going to be duplicates. I've set my threshold score at 100%. And what I'm going to do after I've run that session is go and completely auto process this. So I'm going to match my records, promote my best record, fill it with the best data, and just go and merge all of those duplicates. Then what I'm going to do is kick off a child session, and what you do is you select child here, and then you can choose what your child session is. We haven't got any set up, but it would effectively select a session that you've defined as a child, and then run that in a process to then kick off that match session, which might return match results. So you're automating one session, and then you're going to process those with complete automation rules, and then you're going to bring back another session that we can then analyze and use human review methods for the duplicate review process. So really this is a little bit more than just scheduling sessions to run and returning results. There's a lot of automation features, there's a lot of linking features, and there's a lot of workflows that we can trigger off sessions with in this scheduler process. So really a powerful tool if you want to save a lot of time on your review process.